Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get rid of the advertisements that you will find in the Start menu in Windows 11. Alright, so if you click on Start, you can see we have the recommended, so this app was recently added. And then we also have this one here, which is Try CapCut PC version now. So when you see this, you might think, oh, this is installed on my computer. I don't remember installing it. But it's actually not. It's just an advertisement from Microsoft wanting you to try it. So if you click on it, it will open the Microsoft Store and then take you to that app and then allow you to install it. And then you might also find it in your More section when you go there. And then even if you click on it again, so you can see I have a different ad now for Grammarly. And then you could right click on it, remove from list. And then when you go back, you might see another ad. So this one's back. Alright, so what you could do is go into the Windows settings, then to personalization, find Start, and then this option here, show recommendations for tips, app promotions, and more. Just simply turn that off. Now you can see it's gone, and then gone from the More section as well. If we go back in there, let's remove this from the list to get something new. We'll remove this. Remove this. So now we're not seeing any new advertisements for apps. Alright, so once again, go to the Windows settings, go to personalization, Start, and then disable show recommendations for tips, app promotions, and more. And that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.